Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead. Now, this one is customer service in the healthcare field, but it is a great way to get your foot in the door if you are looking to make that switch into the healthcare field. They pay decent, starting out at $16.35 an hour, and they are also offering a $1,000 sign-on bonus. Plus, you don't even need to have your own computer equipment. They are going to provide that for you. The links, if you want to apply, are in the YouTube description box below. But the healthcare company CareCentrix, they are looking for a remote healthcare customer service expert. Now, this is remote in the United States only, but it is just basic customer service. You'll be receiving and responding to incoming calls from providers, which are doctors, referral sources, and potential patients by collecting and entering the clinical and demographic information into their portal. Typical phone calls may range from interactions from customers who need basic information to assisting those with more complex requests. So your days may be challenging. They will definitely not be boring. They are looking for someone who is passionate about healthcare and helping people, someone who can work in a fast-paced environment, someone who has strong attention to detail, and of course, no college degree is required. They do just want a high school diploma or a GED and 1 year of customer service experience. Now, again, starting pay is $16.35. They also offer monthly incentive bonus opportunities, so you can actually make more than that. They offer standard benefit package, including 401k, paid time off, health, dental, vision, all the things. As the new year is upon us, I am trying to be able to share even more work from home jobs with you this year in 2023. So if you have any suggestions about how I could make this channel better and make these job leads better for you, please leave them in the comments below. All criticism is welcome. I like feedback, and I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.